Hello there, my name is Richard McMunn from the interview training website, passmyinterview.com, and in this tutorial, I will teach you how to answer the difficult interview question, tell me about yourself for freshers. So if you have a job interview coming up soon for any role or company, and you have little or no work experience, make sure you stay tuned because this powerful tutorial is going to help you be the standout candidate. Now, right at the very start of your interview, you will have to answer the interview question, tell me about yourself. And it is imperative you get your interview off to a flying start by giving a confident response that is guaranteed to impress the hiring manager. So to help you, this is what I will cover during this tutorial. Number one, I will give you a brilliant, easy to remember structure to use when answering that difficult interview question, tell me about yourself. This is a brilliant 4-step structure. It's really easy to remember, but it's going to help you give the perfect response. Number two, I will then give you 3 brilliant example answers to that question, tell me about yourself for freshers, and all you have to do is choose the one answer option you think is the strongest. And then number 3, I'm going to give you more great answers to tough interview questions for freshers. These answers are for questions such as, what is your biggest weakness? Why should we hire you? And also, what is your ideal work environment? So make sure you stay tuned, and please do hit that like button because that then tells me you find these tutorials useful, and it also motivates me to create more content for you. Thank you so much. Let's get started. So first of all, before I give you those 3 brilliant example answers, what is the best structure to use when answering the difficult interview question? Tell me about yourself for freshers and people with no previous work experience. Well, the best structure to use is BEAT, B-E-A-T. You can remember this because you will use this structure to beat the competition at your interview when you answer that question, tell me about yourself. But what does BEAT stand for? Well, BEAT stands for B is your best 3 qualities. Tell the interviewer your best 3 qualities. E is your educational background. Give them a brief history about your educational background and the qualifications or grades you attained. A is the activities and interests you have outside of work. And then T is the one main talent you can bring to their company. So when you answer the difficult interview question, tell me about yourself, if you're a fresher or someone with no previous work experience, use the BEAT format, B-E-A-T. Okay, let me now give you those 3 brilliant example answers to the interview question, tell me about yourself. And please tell me in the comments section below the video which answer option, 1, 2 or 3, you think is the strongest. By the way, I will also tell you where you can download a copy of these slides and all of the example answers. Here's answer option number 1. Tell me about yourself for freshers. Here we go. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to be interviewed for this position today. My name is Richard and my best 3 qualities are my self-reliance, my ability to learn things quickly, and my flexibility. I graduated from college with qualifications in mathematics, science, and technology. Now, during my education, I learned the importance of organising my studies, supporting other students in their goals, and participating in team activities. Now, outside of work, I keep myself fit and active by walking regularly, attending the gym, and playing team sports. Now, these activities help increase my concentration levels for when I am at work, and I know how important it is to always put the needs of a team before my own. Now, although I have many strengths, one of my main talents, which I can bring to your company, is my knowledge of social media. I can help your company take advantage of the opportunities that are available for promoting your products and services to a wider audience online. That is a brilliant answer that uses that structure BEAT, B-E-A-T, and it's really easy to remember. As soon as you sit down in the interview chair, you know they are going to say to you either introduce yourself or tell me about yourself, and just remember your answer is going to beat the competition. Now, you can download these answers. I still have 2 more examples for you, don't forget, but you can download these slides and my top 20 freshers interview questions and answers by clicking the link in the top right hand corner of the video at any time. Here's the second response. Don't forget, I need you to tell me which answer option you think is the strongest in the comments section below the video. Tell me about yourself, answer option 2 for freshers. Here we go. My name is Richard and I've been waiting for a job to be advertised with your company. Although I am new to the working environment, I already have the skills and qualities to match the job description. I am a strong communicator, an excellent team worker who will always put the needs of my team first, and someone who will take ownership of difficult challenges and problems whenever they occur. Now, although I am not a leader, I do feel I have a sense of ownership when it comes to solving problems. I have a positive attitude about work and life in general, and I understand the only way I will lead a productive life and achieve my goals is if I work hard and do a good job for my employer. Now, I would describe myself as a high achiever. Not only did I study hard to achieve the grades I needed in school, I have also won several sporting event trophies with the team I play for. My friends have often described me as trustworthy, loyal, hardworking and selfless. And I believe these traits, along with my enthusiasm to work and my desire to learn new skills, will mean I can quickly become a valuable and productive member of your team. That's another brilliant example answer that will help you get your interview off to a flying start. Here's answer option number 3. Tell me about yourself for freshers. Here we go. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Richard and I would describe myself as a self-disciplined, enthusiastic, resilient and creative person who understands the importance of effective teamwork in an organisation. My qualifications in computer science, business studies and sociology will, I believe, be beneficial to your organisation in this role. I am a fast learner and someone who understands the only way your company will continue to be successful is if I serve your customers in a way that encourages them to come back to the business time and time again. My personal life is stable, which means I am flexible and adaptable to help out your company by working additional hours when needed. Now, because I am new to the working environment, this means I am a blank canvas and someone you can train up to be a productive and consistently high-performing team member. Now, finally, one of my main strengths is my creativeness. I would like nothing more than to discuss ideas with the people in my team to help create new products and services that your customers would find useful and beneficial. That's the third answer. They are all extremely strong. Tell me in the comments section below the video which answer option 1, 2 or 3 you think is the strongest. Now, in a second, I'm going to give you 3 more brilliant answers for freshers to difficult interview questions. What's your biggest weakness? Why should we hire you? And also, what's your ideal work environment? But if you want to download these slides and in total, my top 20 interview questions and answers for freshers in a PDF guide, click that link in the top right-hand corner of the video at any time. Okay, here's my brilliant example answer to that challenging interview question. What's your biggest weakness? This is difficult for you as a fresher to answer this question because you have no previous work experience. Here's a great example response. What's your biggest weakness? My biggest weakness is the fact I am too patient with people at times. For example, during my studies, whenever I was working on team tasks with other students, I would allow them too much time to get their part finished. Now, this sometimes meant the task was in danger of not being completed on time. However, I appreciate and understand that this is not conducive to productive teamwork, and I will make sure I use positive influencing and communication skills in my work to encourage people to get their task finished quickly so we can then move on to our next job. That's a brilliant answer, a smart answer to that question, what's your biggest weakness? Because you are giving an example of where your weakness occurred during your studies. And it is also showing, which is a good thing, self-awareness. And you know what you need to do to improve. What's your biggest weakness for freshers? Here's the next question. Why should we hire you? If you're a fresher with no experience, here's my example response. You should hire me because I am new to the workplace, which means I have no preconceived ideas of what to expect. You can train me up to be a brilliant employee, and my enthusiasm and positivity, I believe, will rub off on other people in the company. You should also hire me because I am creative and I can bring new ideas to the company. For example, I am good on social media, which means I can help your company push its products and services to a wider audience. I am also good with people, so whenever I am dealing with customers, I will be a positive role model and make them feel good about the brand. Finally, you should hire me because I will take responsibility for my ongoing professional development. Now, this means you will always have a knowledgeable and useful member of your team. That's a brilliant answer to that question, why should we hire you for freshers? Here's the next question and answer, and that is, what's your ideal work environment? Now, again, this is a tricky question for you to answer, but it is assessing your knowledge of what a positive work environment is. Here's my example response. My ideal work environment is positive, progressive, and supportive. I would like to work alongside other like-minded professionals who want to achieve great things, continually learn new skills, and finish each working day having achieved something. If I work in an environment where everyone in the team looks out for each other and they seek the opportunity in every negative or difficult situation, then I know I will be happy. Finally, I want to work in an environment where there is opportunity for me to contribute to the success of the organization. Now, this could be by learning new skills, getting access to training development courses, being mentored by managers or supervisors, or even putting forward ideas that help the business to grow. These are all brilliant answers that will help you be the standout candidate. So the next thing to do is make sure you click that link right now in the top right hand corner of the video. Head straight through to my website, passmyinterview.com, and you can instantly download a copy of these slides with all the answers, in addition to my top 20 interview questions and responses for freshers in a PDF guide. So you can literally have these slides and that guide with the 20 questions and answers in your inbox within 2 minutes from now. It's a brilliant resource. It's really going to help you be confident at your job interview. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Literally thousands and thousands of you are passing your job interviews. I can help you if you are subscribed to pass every job interview you ever attend. Also, negotiate the right salary that you deserve and gain promotion whenever you are ready. Please hit the like button because that motivates me to create more content for you. Thank you so much. Oh, and don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I've put my LinkedIn link in the description below this video, and it is always a pleasure and an honor to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you so much for watching and for supporting my channel. Have a great day.